didn't catch what was going on. I was coming to check on Chris, and I was going ahead to protect the Foster, help Foster on a trailer pump job, which is a few miles up the road. Well, on the way over here to check on Chris, he called, said I'm plugged. I can't get it unplugged. So I got here, and we roughed it up a little bit, and I thought I was filming, and I'm sorry. I mean, not there's much to see, but just a bunch of noise. But we reversed it quite a few times. We sent it forward, reversed it a few more times, and eventually we got it broken up and got it going. Well, in the meantime, I don't know if we damaged, I don't even know what it's called. It's the valve for the S tube that rocks back and forth. I guess it's a release of pressures to let the valve shift. Anyway, in the meantime, that thing is now acting up pretty bad. So I talked to Concord. And this is what we had to put a bungee strap. We put a bungee strap against that valve. That way it would give it some more back pressure. They think the spring might be wore out inside of there. So we put a bungee strap in there to give it some back pressure to help it shift on over. So you never know the type of stuff you need to keep on your truck. Zip ties, baler wire, duct tape, bungee straps, radiator clamps. I mean, it's a MacGyver toolbox, but we had the strap, we got to put on there and everything. Every now and then you get a little funny sound, but so far we're rocking and rolling. So woo. It's never a dull moment. I tell you what, that is nerve-wracking noise. That is when you get that. Luckily, we had some rain last night off that hurricane, and I had one job canceled, so I've got Bill with the 40 coming over here. We may not even use him, but I want him here because I've got him available, and I don't want this project to have to be delayed any further. So we got a backup plan coming just in case this truck keeps acting up or starts acting up again. We're just gonna pull it out of the way and put Bill in here, the 40 meter. So better safe than sorry. Yeah, that's frustrating to not catch what was going on. I thought the camera was on, and of course I mean, it's like I said the other day. I was talking. If y'all watched that video with Texas Best Construction, now I hope y'all go over and look at that video. They did an awesome job on their video. And I was pretty impressed. We're gonna have to get a drone. But anyway, you know, we were talking filming and people kind of getting on, you know, about bad camera angles and all that, and you know, talking about, you know, the filming part is interesting, it's great, but you know, I still have responsibilities and a job to do, and sometimes you just can't, they don't match, you know, what I'm having to do with responsibilities and being able to film. And I'm sorry about that. I try to catch everything as I can as possible. That is a goal of mine, but you know, just like then, on the way over here, after I got the call from Chris, I made sure I had a good battery. I made sure there was good film in here and all that. But the camera, when I hit the camera on, it said it was repairing file. So that kind of threw me off. I don't see that very often. And then when I got around here too, it was going, and I thought it was going, but apparently I don't think it was. But like I said, you just got a bunch of hammering back and forth on the pump. Wasn't that big a deal, but we are going now. So, and while I got y'all here, thank y'all so much for the response. Josh over there was pretty impressed with the comments that he got from guys coming from our channel, going over to his channel and watching the video and leaving comments. Y'all ought to go check that out. I'll leave a link to the video right here, and I'll also leave a link to Josh's YouTube channel. Y'all go over and check it out. It's some good stuff in there. I think it's some stuff that you guys be interested in seeing, building these metal buildings, barn dominiums, and things like that. It's pretty cool. But I was really impressed with the footage and I've always liked their videos, but I was pretty impressed with comparing it, because I was there. I was able to see what was going on compared to my video and look at their video with the quality of the drone footage and stuff like that, and the different ideas that you see and creativity that you see with, you know, someone else editing the videos. So there was separate cameras. I filmed ours, they filmed theirs, I edited mine, they edited theirs, but how they went about it, the creativity of making that video was pretty cool. So give me some ideas. Really starting to insinuate me to go ahead and get a drone. I think we need one of those in our arsenal. So we're gonna look at that in the near future. So, but anyway, also another channel plug is our Muddyfeet TV. We've been posting stuff from the lake, and you'll see, if you'll go over there this morning, you'll see the video, me and my daughter and her friend from last weekend, going out to the Red River and playing around on the Red River and the Rangers and swimming and stuff. So y'all go check that video out. It's a pretty good time we had there. So, all right, Chris is getting back. They're ready to go. Looking like a good old-fashioned old shit moment to start the day off with.
Yeah, no shit.
Those other parts.
Yeah, that part that I tried to put on yesterday.
That box?
Yeah, that valve, that big bright yellow valve.
Yeah.
I put in that top toolbox on the driver's side.
I replaced that one Monday, Tuesday, whatever day the girls cleaned the truck.
Also, I thought it was like it's brand new and had fingerprints, fresh fingerprints on it.
Did you find all your stuff in the truck? It wasn't too rearranged, was it?
There ain't no method to my madness as far as where I
it's kind of like my wife, though. I know my stuff may not be put up, but I know where it is. Yeah. And she'll come in there about once a week.
Turn it around a little bit.
Yeah, and now it's lost. And of course, she didn't know what I'm talking about. So, that's what I was saying. We didn't throw anything away. It just may not be where you put it. I wanted to go do the 40 meter, and we were going to do it yesterday, and I got tied up with talking to our CPA and trying to get some stuff sorted out with them. It's going to be kind of noisy, but I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, this valve shifting back here. See, on that, when it shifts over to the driver's side, it's smooth. It just one solid swing. And when it comes back, when it shifts the valve back to the passenger side, you saw that little delay in there. That's not supposed to be in there. And what I'm thinking, if we didn't have that bungee strap on that valve, I think it would just shift slow. But that bungee strap's giving it enough pressure that when it shifts, it slows again. It finally shifts it on over, putting that pressure against that valve. So the parts, they said they will overnight them, so hopefully they'll be here in the morning, and we can get that all back together. Hopefully it's not too big an ordeal. Well, I got Bill's on scene. Not sure what's causing our catch in there, but hopefully we'll get it replaced and get that fixed. Nice little area. Gonna do these garages. I think I'm gonna run, go get some of that cleaner, and go get that other Dodge and go get it washed up. Foster in it. He's done, he's already back. Yeah. I'll see y'all in a little bit. We'll head out. We got a couple little deals we got there today. We're going to try to go get that other pickup cleaned up a little bit. It's got some splatters on it. I'll get those off. Looks like everything's going good here. So we'll see you in a little bit. At the yard right now, I got to change out a part on one of my hydraulic ram over there. We're getting a little stuttering issue, and I talked to Concord, and they sent me a valve replacement. When you buy the trucks, you do get a little kit of replacement valves and stuff, and I've got one. I've been talking to Nick about replacing that, and see if we can't get that little issue resolved. It's not really hurting us on the pumping, but it is kind of an issue. In the meantime, I've recruited some help. If you've watched any of our Muddyfeet TV stuff, you notice I like to spend my weekends with my daughter and her friend and do a lot of stuff at the lake. Well, we come home from the lake the other day, and they want to make some extra money. I thought, you know what, I got the job for y'all. So it's Macy. Anyway, I brought the girls out. I got them some cleaning supplies, and I'm gonna let them clean out the 38 meter, and then hopefully in about an hour or so the 40 meter be in. We're gonna clean it out. So I got a vacuum here. So we're gonna get them started on do a little cleaning, truck cleaning today, or at least the interior part of it. I'm not gonna get them to do the outside. So, oh, we make good use for them anyway. While they're cleaning on the truck, I'm gonna replace this valve right here and see if we can't fix our little stuttering problem that we've got going on. And hopefully the 40 meter will be here by the time we're ready to clean on it. So we'll see. We got the new switch on. I think it's a proximity switch of some sort. I had to get the Nick to tell me the exact name of it. Valve, I don't know. But everything seems to be working. Looks like normal to me. Oh, boy, this thing needs a bath. The girls clean up there. I imagine the next day or two we'll get degreaser and pressure washer and get up here. It's been a little while since we gave them a good bath. So I like a clean truck, and this is just, I mean, this time of year, I want my guys to go home, have the weekend if they got it, and don't worry about these trucks unless we have mechanical issues. It's just too hot in the afternoons to be cleaning on them real good, but it's fixing to cool off this next month, and when it does, well, like I said, we'll get the pressure washer out here, the degreaser, strip these things down, clean them all good, and that way we got some happy trucks again. But it'll be time, I guarantee it. Girls are about done up there. So, probably gonna go get some lunch. Hopefully that 40 meter, Bill and Chris are out on it. I got Chris running the 40 today, so I'm going to get him trained up on it now that he's got the hang of this 38 real well. Really happy with him. But so he's gonna start on a 40 meter some, and that way if we need to run the 40 meter, he'll be able to he'll be comfortable running it. I own the damn thing, and I'm not all that comfortable running it. I can run it, and I can do a good job, but it's not second nature like this thing is to me, but it's close. So I know how important it is to be comfortable on a truck. The girls are checking out the boom. they think it's a playground. I can get a swing and swing them around with it. I'm not gonna pick y'all up. That would be fun at the lake though. Take them up and let them jump off of it. That'd be fun. Well, thanks to the girls for helping me get the trucks cleaned out and things situated. We'll get them back on the next one pretty quick, but I like to see that they want to take some initiative, try to make a little money and work. So makes me think I might be doing something right. Of course, I probably still do a lot of things wrong, but that's the way it goes. But anyway, I guess that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share. The channel's doing awesome because of y'all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to go over and check on Texas Best Construction. Go say hi to Josh and give him a subscribe. And you'll like what you see. You'll like what he keeps posting. So, and we got some stuff in plan to do some more together. He's got a couple big projects coming. He's going to leave some pumps on. So that'll be coming up too. So we're going to do some more stuff together. So, you know, not only do we make a friend, we made a business partner and a YouTube partner as well. So and it's great. Anytime you can do all that and bring things together, it just makes a better opportunity, better viewing for y'all. And that's really what we want. It's something for y'all to enjoy. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.